Knowledge Nexus.
Choosing an operating system is a big deal. It's not just about picking software. It's about selecting the foundation that will support all your digital activities. Whether you're a casual user, a professional, or a gamer, the OS you choose will shape your experience. It's the software that controls your entire computer. From the moment you press the power button, the operating system takes charge, managing hardware resources, running applications, and providing an interface for you to interact with your machine. Your OS choice impacts everything you do. It determines the software you can run, the security of your data, and even the performance of your hardware. A good OS can enhance productivity, while a poor choice can lead to frustration and inefficiency. From browsing the web to editing videos, the right OS is crucial. Imagine trying to edit a high-definition video on an underpowered system, or struggling with compatibility issues while browsing. The right OS ensures smooth and efficient operation. Today we'll compare two giants, Windows and Linux. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them often comes down to personal preference and specific needs. We'll help you figure out which one's your perfect match. We'll look at various factors like ease of use, software availability, customization options, and community support. This isn't about declaring a winner. Both Windows and Linux have their unique advantages. It's about understanding what each OS offers and how it aligns with your needs and preferences. It's about finding the best fit for your needs. We'll break down the key features, performance metrics, and user experiences to give you a comprehensive understanding. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who browses the web, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. By the end of this comparison, you'll have a clearer idea of which operating system will best support your daily activities and long-term goals. Windows. Chances are you've used it. It's the dominant OS on the planet. Why is it so popular? For starters, it's user-friendly. Windows is designed for everyone, from tech newbies to seasoned pros. Its interface is intuitive. Think colorful icons and easy-to-navigate menus. This simplicity makes Windows a breeze to learn and use, but ease of use isn't Windows' only strength. Let's talk about its massive software library. Windows boasts a massive software library. Name a popular program and it probably runs on Windows. Microsoft Office, Adobe Creative Suite, countless games, they're all there. This compatibility is a major plus for many users. Gamers especially flock to Windows. The platform has a long history with gaming. Many games are designed specifically for Windows, taking advantage of its capabilities. But Windows isn't perfect. Let's face some hard truths. Windows has a price tag, and it's not cheap. This cost is a barrier for some users, especially those on a budget. Then there's the security aspect. Windows has a history of security vulnerabilities. While Microsoft works hard to patch these, new threats emerge constantly. This means you need to be vigilant about security updates and antivirus software. Now let's switch gears to Linux. Section 5, Linux, the open-source powerhouse. Linux, the underdog, the champion of the tech-savvy. This operating system is all about freedom and flexibility. It's open source, meaning its source code is freely available. This has huge implications. Firstly, Linux is free. You can download and use it without spending a dime. This makes it incredibly appealing for budget-conscious users and institutions. But the beauty of open source goes beyond cost savings. Section 6, Linux, freedom and flexibility. Being open source means Linux is highly customizable. You have the freedom to access the source code and modify it to suit your needs. This level of control is unparalleled in the world of operating systems. You can tweak and modify it to your heart's content. Whether you want to change the appearance, optimize performance, or add new functionalities, Linux gives you the tools to do so. This is why many developers and tech enthusiasts prefer Linux over other operating systems. This makes it a favorite among developers and tech enthusiasts who crave control over their systems. They can collaborate, share their modifications, and contribute to the community, making Linux a constantly evolving platform. This flexibility extends to Linux's distributions, or distros. Each distro is tailored for different purposes, from general use to specialized tasks. This means you can find a version of Linux that perfectly fits your needs, whether you're a casual user or a professional developer. These are different versions of Linux tailored for various purposes. Some distros are designed for ease of use, while others are built for performance, security, or specific applications. This diversity is one of Linux's greatest strengths. Want a user-friendly desktop experience? There are distros like Ubuntu and Mint that offer a smooth and intuitive interface, making it easy for anyone to get started with Linux. There's a distro for that. These distros come with pre-installed software and a user-friendly interface, so you can start using your computer right away without any hassle. Need a powerful server OS? Linux has you covered. Distros like CentOS and Ubuntu Server are optimized for server use, offering stability, security, and performance. This makes Linux a popular choice for web servers, database servers, and other critical applications. Now, let's compare these two titans directly. While Windows is known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of software, Linux offers unmatched flexibility and control. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them depends on your specific needs and preferences. Section 7. Windows versus Linux, a head-to-head. When it comes to user interface, Windows takes the crown. Its design is tailored for ease of use, featuring a familiar layout that most users find intuitive. The Start menu, taskbar, and system tray are all elements that have been refined over decades to provide a seamless user experience. It's designed for ease of use, with a familiar layout and intuitive controls. The Start menu, for instance, offers quick access to your most used applications and settings, making navigation a breeze even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Linux, while offering sleek and customizable desktops, can be daunting for beginners. The variety of distributions, each with its own set of features and interfaces, can be overwhelming. However, for those willing to invest the time, Linux offers unparalleled customization and control over the operating system environment. Software availability is another key difference. Windows boasts a vast library of software applications, ranging from productivity tools to games and specialized software for various industries. Windows wins in terms of sheer volume. The majority of commercial software is developed with Windows in mind, ensuring compatibility and support. This makes Windows a go-to choice for businesses and gamers alike. Most commercial software is designed with Windows in mind. From Adobe Creative Suite to Microsoft Office, the most popular applications are optimized for Windows, providing a smooth and reliable user experience. Linux excels in open-source software, offering a plethora of free and open-source applications. This is particularly appealing to developers and tech enthusiasts who appreciate the transparency and community-driven development model. But compatibility with some proprietary programs can be an issue. While there are often open-source alternatives, they may not always offer the same level of functionality or ease of use as their commercial counterparts. Security is a more nuanced battleground. Linux is generally considered more secure due to its open-source nature and rigorous community scrutiny. The ability for anyone to inspect the code means vulnerabilities are often identified and patched quickly. Linux is generally considered more secure due to its open-source nature and rigorous community scrutiny. The collaborative effort of developers worldwide ensures that security flaws are addressed promptly, making it a robust choice for security-conscious users. However, Windows has made strides in security, implementing advanced features like Windows Defender and BitLocker. Regular updates and a dedicated security team work tirelessly to protect users from emerging threats, and both OSes require user vigilance. Regardless of the operating system, users must stay informed about best practices for online security, such as using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping their systems updated. Section 8. Making the choice which OS reigns supreme. So, which OS reigns supreme? The answer, as always, is, it depends. If you value ease of use, need specific Windows-only software, and don't mind paying for an OS, Windows is a solid choice. If you're tech-savvy, love customization, prioritize security, or need a cost-effective solution, Linux is your go-to. Ultimately, the best OS is the one that empowers you to do what you love on your computer.